to be found. So hey, we can still hang out tonight. You just gotta let it go. One day you can have it all. And I know we're up to something good. Yeah, yeah, I'm going right back. Yeah, yeah, I'm going right back. Yeah, yeah, it's gonna be kinda cool. Yeah, yeah, I waited so long. Yeah, yeah, so don't get me wrong. Yeah, yeah, I think it looks kinda cool. I'm going right back to school.
You know, we talked about this several months ago and wanted to do something that could really benefit our schools. And Mandy came up with the idea of the Back to School Bash, and it evolved from there, and we got our marketing team involved in it, and all of our team here in the store and the community, PTA presidents. We just wanted to do something to show our support back to the community and the schools.
Macy's has been a really great partner with us, mainly through the receipt program. I know we have the box here that people can put their receipts in, and we used to have the box at school, and the kids would love to bring the receipts in. And all the programs we have at school that Macy's helps fund, they do a great job.
Well, I've been an elementary school principal for 11 years at 2 different schools, and during that time I think Macy's has probably been our best business partner. Been very generous with both product and with some cash. Glad to come and support whatever they've got cooked up.
We just believe in supporting our local schools and the kids and the community. It's a great tie-in for what we believe, and that's the families. And can I give you a handout? I'd love.
I'm just great, thanks.
Okay, thank you so
Bye.
much. But you know, Macy's has always been about the community and families and family values, and education ties right into that.
You know, I think that the business part of education is integral. It's really important that the community understand that it's not just the parents and their children, that businesses benefit from kids being educated too. And as a whole community, if we help educate kids, then we're going to all benefit from it. And I think Macy's really understands that and is willing to help out in their donations and doing programs like this, giving us space to come in the store and greet people. You know, it's really great. It's good to have people that care about kids.